Hey, good morning. This is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from the U.S. domestic market. This is Chun's Simple Gourmet Asian Cuisine Korean-style spicy ramen soup bowl. This seems to be one of those varieties that's just like absolutely everywhere. Most of this Chun stuff seems to be, and I gotta be honest, I'm really not a big fan thus far. I'm gonna buffet it with that. I really want to be. I want it to be good, but you know, what can I say? It's been a pretty rough go with a lot of these domestics that I've been getting lately. But I figure somebody's gotta like them. But so far, I have not been that somebody. I guess I need a pair of scissors, and it looks very cloudy and nasty out. It's kind of woke up. Everybody was chilly. It's what is it? It's May. It's May 17th. Big day in politics today. They're having a bunch of primaries. Let's see how that'll pan out. I have a feeling I'm not going to get my Dr. Oz money. They seem to be a little inept. I was like, yeah, here's my order numbers. Can you show me where it says that you ordered this? It's like, oh, I see. Not super cool. Spicy cream. Smells very sweet. I mean, like mostly sugar. We'll see. Maybe there's a spiciness that's gonna come through and wow my taste buds. That's what I'm hoping for, ladies and gentlemen. It's a possibility. A likelihood? We'll see. I have a feeling it's not a like. I don't know. So you put this in here. Good in her. Okay. Then my new apparatus, the R bottle. This is my water for making instant noodles. That's handy. What a handy thing. Right there. Alright. And then cover loosely. Okay, so it says to do it for 2 minutes with room temp water in the old microwave. Putting down the safety plate, of course. Cover loosely. Well, I know. All right. 2 minutes. And yeah, that's it. 2 minutes. Crossing my fingers. Hope it's good. Hope it's not bad. We'll find out. It shouldn't take long. I went on a big walk yesterday. I'll tell you about that in the next episode. That's going to take a little while, but yeah. For a big long walk. Pretty happy about that. It was really long. Really long walk. I walked from here down the Burt Gilman Trail, so from Kenmore to Bothell, did a loop, and then did the... I always want to call it Stillaguamish. That's like 40 miles away. The, whatever that river. Yeah, anyways. Did that trail, came back, and then went boop onto the street, took that street up to Simon's Road in Kirkland, and came all this way on Simon's, which is a freaking long road, and then got home. It was 10 miles, and I traversed 3 cities. The next goal will be to do that and then walk to North Seattle. So I'll do Kenmore, Bothell, Kirkland, Lake Forest Park, and Seattle. 5-city walk. That'll be probably more like, I think around the whole shebang, it'd probably be closer to like 15 miles, 16 miles, I don't know. It'll be a ways. I'm tired though. That was a heck of a walk yesterday. I'm gonna attempt a pretty decent walk today, but I don't think I'm gonna do that one. That was a lot. That was a lot. Alright, here's our noodle. Now, see, fill the line. Oh, we're getting the color now. It smells decent. It's funny. That smells like vegetable beef condensed soup. And here comes the corn, which I don't generally like. Corn is not a standard staple in Southeast Asian cuisine, really. Here's our noodle. And our broth. Oh, good, there is a tinge of spicy. Well, you've finally done it, Annie Chuns. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. But I'll be honest, it tastes like Campbell's vegetable beef condensed soup. But I like it. It's good. It's really good compared to the other ones that I've tried thus far from Annie Chun's. Yeah, I mean, there's stuff that could be done to that to make it even better. Like that. And that. The spiciness is very minimal. Basically, it's just a noodle and a broth and a little bit of vegetable medley. How many calories is this thing? 280. That doesn't surprise me. There's really not a lot going on here. Doesn't feel like it's all that heavy duty. Oh, we don't want to do that. No, sir. No, sir. Whoa, come on. Turn on the heat for the next review, and Rotato, do your stuff. right, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one we're going to have it's from China. This is by Baija. This is an Aquan Big Boss noodle, and this will be their spicy hot instant vermicelli. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day.